Hey, what's up, folks? We are back again with another problem. Today's problem is the most standard, easy, and most explained problem of them all. Using dynamic programming, we can easily solve this. The problem is called coin chain. We are given an amount of coins. Let's say you have 1, 2, 5, 10. These numbers of coins, and you have an amount. Now you have to return the minimum amount of coins you require to make this amount, and we can assume that we have infinite number of these coins. We just need the minimum number of coins. So let's say there's an 11 given to us, so we can take 2, 5 and 1, 1. We can also take 5 2s and 1, 1, but that would result in 6, and this would result in 3. So we need to consider the amount of coins that we are taking. However, if we receive a sum which is odd and we only have even a coin representing an even number, we cannot form that number, so we need to return -1. And if there are no coins required, we simply need to return 0, and that's it. And how do I solve it? I solve it using DP, because where do we learn this problem? In dynamic programming. Although what I did is I took the bottom up approach instead of top down approach. So what I'm doing is I created my DP array. I filled my DP array with max amount. What max is? Max is just amount plus 1. Then what I did is I initialized my first element with 0. This is important because the max amount is the base amount, and we'll be changing the amount at 1, 2, 3, 4 till the end, that is n, where n is max, n is amount, max -1. You'll see. Then what I did is for I equals to amount, from I equals to 1 not 0 to I equals to amount, then I again ran a loop from j equals to 0 to j equals to coin dot length. So this will iterate over the coin array that we are given, that is this array. Then what it will do is it's just one if condition, and that is it. The condition says if the coin present at jth position is less than the I. What is I? I starts from 1 and I goes till the amount, so I is amount. So if coin is less than the current value of amount that we are looking at, then DP of I would change, and it would be minimum of either the same thing, which would have amount plus 1, or the amount that we have minus the coin. Let's say we are on 5 here, and we have a coin of 5 rupees, but our goal was 11, so we are at 5. So what we do is we subtract 5 from 5, it becomes 0, and we have stored 0 there. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is obviously lesser than amount plus 1, that is 12. So we stored 1 in DP of I. Then we move, DP of I was 5 here. Then we move to 6, and so on. We keep doing this, and at the end, at DP of amount, we'll have a number. But when will this condition be broken? When will our program fail is if we have only 2 rupee coins and we are given an odd number, or if we have only odd number of, oh, you understand the case, right? If we have only 5 rupee coins and we are given a 7, things like that, then the amount would be more than the given amount. So what that would be, it would be 5 plus 5, the last amount. It would be more than the amount given to us, and if that happens, return -1, or else return the current amount stored, the current number of coins stored at the last index, because that is the number of coins, that is how many coins we'll require if we were to give up this amount. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.